Hello, everybody. In this book, it is stated here that the 12 sons of Jacob were buried in the land of Israel. And it's not only Joseph's bones that they brought to Israel and buried there, but also all of his brothers were all buried in the land of Israel, in this present land, Israel. So not only the 12 sons of Jacob were buried there, also their patriarchs from Abraham, Isaac, and also Jacob, and their wives were also buried there in the land which is now called Israel. If we would recall, Abraham was buried in Machpelah, cave of Machpelah, which Abraham bought from the Hittites in the cave. So it was also believed that Jacob and Isaac was also buried there. And there's a war still happening present time between Hamas and Israel. And Hamas or Palestinians were actually descended from Egypt. They were grandchildren of Egypt itself. And Israelites or Jews, as prophesied, they will later regain those lands. Even the book of Ezekiel stated that those lands from Gaza, they will also acquire those lands as prophesied. And as of now, Gaza is still bombarded by Israelites, and because these lands were promised to them by God. And in the future, they will really possess those lands. From the brook or river of Egypt to the river Euphrates, God promised those lands to them. In the future, they will expand their territory as God stated in scriptures. And if you like this information, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks to you guys.